Now, here comes the big bakery secret. Stabilize whipped cream with gelatin. And we have a trick that is totally life-changing. Bloom your gelatin, let it sit, let it think about its life choices. Whisk your heavy cream to medium peaks and add in your powdered sugar, sweetened condensed milk. Nuke your gelatin to liquefy it. We mix a little cream in with the gelatin first. We don't just dump that whole thing in like a nincompoop. We found out the hard way. Ours form little lumps in that little bowl there, so we nuked it all again. Not hot. If it's hot, criminy, you got a disaster. And stay sweet, stay fluffy, and keep those cakes chuffed and fabulous, baby. Mwah!